Magandang oras mga kababayan, mga ka-art lover. Nako, ang swerte nga naman ng tao ay hindi natin malalaman, di ba? Manny Pacquiao from rag to riches, the Cinderella story in the Philippines. Naging bilyonaryo dahil sa boxing, ngayon ay inducted na sa the Hall of Fame. Hall of Famer na si Manny Pacquiao. At para sa kabuuang detalye ng balitang ito, ay atin panoorin ang bidyong ito.
World champion stands shoulder to shoulder with the very best. And we are honored to recognize someone truly remarkable. Manny Pacquiao, the fighting pride of the Philippines. Hold on. Hold on, folks. He compiled a 60-4 amateur record before turning pro in 1995. Over the course of his legendary career, he became one of the most decorated boxers in the history of the sport, capturing world championships in a record 8 weight divisions from flyweight to super welterweight. Pacquiao has thrilled fans across the globe with his blistering speed, his explosive power. His resume includes unforgettable victories over boxing greats Oscar De La Hoya, Ricky Hatton, Sugar Shane Mosley, Juan Manuel Marquez, and Miguel Cotto. He supposedly retired in 2021 when this was written, wink wink, with a professional record of 62 wins, 8 losses, 2 draws, with 39 of those wins by way of knockout, now inducted into the modern category, ladies and gentlemen, Manny Pac-Man Pacquiao.
Alright, so mabuhay si Manny Pacquiao. Yan ang ating pambansang kamao sa boxing, at kahit sa buong mundo ay walang makapantay sa achievement ni Manny. Mantakin nyo naman ay 8 times 8 division world champion Manny Pacquiao, the one and only na nakakuha ng ganyang record sa boxing. At ngayon ay nasa siya sa mga sikat na boksingero, ay pang-apat yata si Manny, from Muhammad Ali, kay Sugar Ray Robinson, pababa kay Mike Tyson, pang-apat si Manny Pacquiao sa pinaka top boxers of all time, sa record yan. At sa pinakamayaman ng mga boksingero ay ganun din. In the whole world, parang si Manny, pang-apat din na pinakamayamang boksingero sa buong mundo. Kaya napakaswerte, nag-iisang Pilipino na napakaswerte, napakayaman, at nabibiyaan ng Diyos ng talento na nagbigay sa kanya ng ganitong swerte. Okay, so atin napakinggan ang speech ni Manny Pacquiao dito, pasasalamat sa pagbigay sa kanya ng award as a Hall of Famer in boxing. Narito ang video.
Finally, we're about to, we're in a final round. First of all, I would like to thank God for this opportunity that we're here, giving us a good day and giving us a good health, keeping us safe. Praise to God. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you to all the awardees and to all of you who are here. I came from nothing, just a small boy from streets of General Santos City. No shoes, no food, no chance, just a dream in my heart. I know hunger, I know pain, I know what it means to be counted out. But I also know what God can do when you keep the faith and never give up.
Ayan, so totoo talagang walang imposible sa Diyos, mga kababayan. Ako man ay dumaan din sa grabe na pagsubok, at ako humingi din ng tulong sa Panginoon. Si Manny Pacquiao ay napakaraming achievement na. sa boxing, the greatest of all time. Hindi lang yan nagiging congressman, nagiging senador, at muntik nang maging presidente. Grabe talaga na tao ito. Merong talent, kaya nga lang ay isinilang na dukha. Kaya yung kanyang talent ay natagpuan niya or nahanap niya ang kanyang talent, ang kanyang potential. Tamang-tama lang talaga sa kanyang edad. Diba, batang-bata pa nag-umpisa sa boxing dahil sa kahirapan. Kaya marami ang gumaya pero hindi talaga nakuha ng ibang Pilipinong boksingero. Si Donaire sana yon pero wala rin, kinapos si Donaire. Ngayon, sino pa ba? Diba? Wala nang makakaano diyan. Merong magsayo pero wala pa sa kalahati ni Manny Pacquiao ang record. Kaya kung sa NBA pa ito na yung si King LeBron James. Di ba, mga kababayan? Kaya nga lang, natalo pagka senador ngayon eh. Nasaan na kaya yung mga fans niya, di ba? Nasaan na kaya? Hindi siya ibinuto dahil ito sa propaganda ng nagagalit kasi yung mga DDS kay Manny. Kasi nag-alyansa galing sa PDP ay bumaliktad, kaya marami ang nagalit at hindi na iboto. Pero dito, ito talaga ang kanyang swerte, ito ang kanyang linya. Kahit na hindi siya magsenador, ay talagang milyonaryo, multi-millionaire, bilyonaryo pala, billions ang asset nito Manny Pacquiao. Okay, balikan natin ang kanyang talumpati dito tungkol sa kanyang istorya, sa kanyang buhay.
Boxing gave me a way out. It turned my struggles into strength, my failures into lessons, and my pain into purpose. From flyweight to junior middleweight, 8 divisions. But greatness isn't what you call yourself. It is how you live your life and how you inspire others. So call me a fighter, call me a warrior, call me proudly Filipino, call me a servant of God. Some people ask, who is the greatest of all time? That's not for me to decide. It belongs to the fans. It belongs to history. Thank you to all the promoters who helped promote my fights in the beginning of my career until now. But I want to especially thank 2 men who played a big part in my boxing journey. To Bob Arum, thank you for helping make many of my biggest fights in my career. You give a kid from the Philippines a chance to show the world what he could do. And to all Hemon, thank you for helping me, especially the later part of my career. I dedicate this moment to every underdog, every dreamer, every person who keeps fighting even when the odds are against them. To my wife, Jenky, and our children, Jimel, Michael, Princess, Queenie, and Israel. You are my heart. With God, nothing is impossible. All things are possible with God. As it says in Joshua 1 verse 9, be strong and courageous. Do not be afraid. Do not be discouraged. For the Lord your God will be with you wherever you go. And that's what happened to me. He was with me from the slums of Sarangani to the bright lights of Las Vegas to here at the International Boxing Hall of Fame.
Ayan, so congratulations sa ating pambansang kamao Manny Pacquiao. nakuha niya talaga ang greatest achievement of all of his life, ang pagiging Hall of Famer sa boxing. International yan. Hall of Famer in the whole world, di ba? World record. Isang Pilipino ang nakakuha ng titulo or karangalan as a Boxing Hall of Famer, the greatest of all time. Walang iba. Ang ating pambansang kamao, Manny Pacquiao. Good luck kay Manny Pacquiao. Maraming salamat din sa ating mga kababayan na nanonood ngayon. At sana ay mag-subscribe kayo para palagi tayong updated kapag may mga bagong uploads. Maraming salamat sa lahat. Hanggang sa muli. Paalam.